the Cars Show. J5. Oh man, I heard a message from Todd Marcus. He says that we're going to an airport that's taking us to Japan. Can't wait to go back there. Ooh. I heard you guys are in an airport in Japan. You are quite right, though. But I decided to bring Bobby and Cal over, since they're already here.
To their antics, they're having it?
Yes, Brick's here too. Anyways, McQueen, I want to have a fair with you. A fair. Okay then. You'll get me in Japan or else. Or else not. Yes, thank you. This is what we'll do for yourselves. Got this controversy all clear. I'm not the one to offend you, but I'm getting ready. Boop! Attention, all report to your plane from Japan. Yes, they're here. Yeah. A few hours later. Well, we had just arrived. Oh, you must be, Tomato or Radiator Springs and Lightning McQueen. Yes. Who's that fellow right there? That's Todd Marcus. Welcome to Japan. So good to be back here ever since traveling the world was a disaster and success at the same time. Yes. We're going here because I said. Well, good. How many people are behind you here? Well, so far there are 10 people behind me and there's 13 of us. Okay, 13 tickets. Here's your 13 tickets. Thanks. Anyways, I'll give you some rules during your stay in Japan. I mean it. Yes. We're meaning it like during your stay in Japan. This is what we have all thought. Sale and consumption, you all are here. Oh, Bobby, Brick, Cal. Well, the view is from back here. Yes, we all agree on you. This is not what I'm gonna mean. In the meantime, I will,
Take you around Japan, Todd?
Oh, yeah, sure. So, Todd, we're going anywhere in Japan? I mean, you're taking Sally with you, then.
Yeah, I know.
That. During your stay in Japan, Cal, here are some things that don't go together. What doesn't go together? Well, if I say water and a bucket. Oh my god. They both don't go together, like... What do you mean? I mean, we go together like United Kingdom and Spain. Best tire changers ever? You gotta prove that? Yes, we're trying to prove that, we'd be the best tire changers in the world. That the world could see. Beat, stop. I'm not asking for a... Okay then. Brick, thought I'd never seen you again. Well, it's been this way. Anyways, Mater, any schemes for us? No, I bet you're gonna mind that if you do need a new paint job, man, Ramon will fit you up right. Hey, anything you want. You're like the flame job. Okay. Old school, like Von Dutch style. Oh! No! Von Dutch! Check. Check. Haha.
Oh, yes,
This is the Autobahn League of Japan. They're here for a, thing.
Could they follow your thing by now?
Oh yeah, they'll, follow you by, your stay in Japan.
But what about...
Some things. Take this apart. This is a ladybug. Oh, shoot! You don't belong here! Anyways. Is this the place where, Autobahn Society live in? Oh, the society is right there. Of course, this is what the society is. Look, if I were to tell you that one day I should, mention you about my racing skills.
Well, if the Autobahn comes here, then, why can't we be part?
Well, here's your sheds to, stay in.
This looks kind of like ours.
Exactly. Well, if that is not during your stay in Japan, cancel anytime.
Okay, yes, that sounds like a good plan. Now, Todd, come back here.
What? And one of the best things that don't go together. If I say Sally and Todd.
Okay, please, but, one, we have to, focus. Second of all, the Autobot Society is here. Third of all, we are going to be horrible next time.
Sally, I don't think this is, a thing. I mean it. Here's some things that don't go together, Todd. Okay, I don't have time for this. We go together like Italy and the United States. How are these things going together? They don't. They're in separate countries. I guess my new Von Dutch style is like this. Oh my god.
Remote, don't!
Okay, no. Shall I be leaving off some things that don't go together? If I say the USA and me, Bobby Swift. Oh man.
You don't even do that, Cal. This is why you don't go together.
Well, things always went wrong with Cal. Wire hands and Bobby, not so much. I mean, not very much though. I'm aware this is a thing. You know, being a vested like what's that formula again? Von Dutch, like Von Dutch. Todd. Okay, fine then. Here, Bobby, do a Von Dutch thing for me. Does it even mean that's Von Dutch?
Oh my god, please don't! Ah!
Trying to stand each other like that thing always fails. Todd, if you're not even agreeing with me at one point that I'm going to go to what? Live in a place in Japan like that. Like that? Oh, McQueen, you know better than that. You're smart. Hey! Who says I can discuss? Beat, stop. And Gino and Luigi's open now. Yes, it opens somehow pretty soon. But we're not in Radiator Springs. I know, this is not. Guido, get Todd back on its tracks. Beat, stop. Oh my god, I'm free. Todd, where have you been though? I mean, I've been somewhere.
Todd, you look like a fine racer.
Ugh, this is an open job. Yes, that's it. No, that's a good thing. I'm gonna go get my tools from a shed. Tools from a shed? Oh my god. That is such a crazy person. Ah, no worries. McQueen and Todd are always perfect as friends for each other. Guido. Okay, what do we do next?
Sacrifice ourselves in the bottom of nowhere?
Bottom of nowhere? What's that? I think you're mentioning something out loud that, sacrifices my, hands.
Please don't. Please, please, please don't even.
We're not making jokes up, buddy. We're just, whoa. Come to the Autobahn. We'll get you there. Okay. Okay, but look, the Autobahn is, getting anywhere, but, I don't think it's going to.
Anywhere.
Everyone's joining forces with Autobahn. Next thing we know is Boost and Rookie, and meanwhile... we are going to settle the Super Modified and Super Modified Junior project! So that's exactly what you're going to design it as. Hey, can we get autographs for our Autobahn? No. But I mean it, Boost. You gotta trust me. I trust you now. So, what are you gonna do with your Super Modified and Super Modified Junior projects? Everything. I'm gonna have to do everything on those.